What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tylisha Shantuane, and I am back with another video. This is going to be my first time doing a wig review, so I'm a little excited and a little bit nervous, but I really want to show you guys what I've gotten, and I want to clue you guys in a little bit on why I purchased this wig. So if you are interested in seeing how your girl installed this nice headband wig, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so obviously you wanted to see how I installed this wig, and plus I'm sure you guys wanted to know the tea on why your girl got this wig. So first of all, I have decided that I am going to make the transition back to natural. So if you guys have been rocking with me for a while, I just want to say thank you so much. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with what your girl's got going on. But if you have been rocking with your girl, then you know that last October I got a perm after being natural for 12 years. I did. So it has been what? October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. It has been 7 months of having a perm, and I am particularly over it. So the reason why I'm really over it is because I've been working out a lot lately, and it is really hard to maintain a hairstyle when you are, for one, have a short haircut, and for two, have a perm, because I am a sweater. When I work out, I sweat a lot. So I sweat out any curl that I had in my head. So I just don't have time to get up and recurl my hair every single day. So I would just rather be natural, where I have the option to twist my hair up or put it up in a puff or slick it back in a bun or something like that. I would rather do that. So girls, if you are considering going from natural to perm, then I mean, by all means do it. I mean, I'm glad I did it, but I'm just over it now. But it is just, people say that the upkeep with having a perm is just easier, and it's really not. It's not easier. And I would just, especially if you are working out. Now, if you're not working out and don't sweat out your hair, then it's nothing for you to go make an appointment and go get it done. But as far as like working out and sweating it out every day and having to go to work, nah, your girl don't have no time for that. So with that being said, I went and got me a headband wig just to help me with the transition of going back to natural, because you know, when that perm is on its way out the door, the hair just gets unmanageable. It doesn't curl right. It doesn't lay down. It feels stiff all the time. So that's the point that I'm at. I got my last perm April 2nd. Today is Monday, May 30th. So we are working on what? Almost 2 months. June 2nd will be 2 months of not having a perm. And I know that I have a long ways to go, and I'm not one for a big chop. So I'm going to wear wigs until then. So like I said, this is my first headband wig that I have ever had, and I actually like her. So I have the stock card right here. The brand of headband wig is the Proud to Be African American. This is the stock card right here. The wig that I got is the PA Key. So PAKIE is the name of the wig. So it's kind of like a kinky curly type wig. It is 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin Remy hair. It is in the color natural, which is not, I'm going to say it's like a 1B. It's not jet black, but it has like a little bit of brown highlight in it, but not too bad. So it doesn't look completely unnatural. Let's see. It did come in jet black as well though, but I just opted not to get that. So let's see. This one does have the headband underneath here. It does have 3 clips, 1 clip in the back and 2 clips on the sides. It has the headband part does have Velcro in the back, which you guys will see in the video. It does have breathable mesh. It has a edge satin silky headband. So yeah, this one ran me about $79, so let's say $80 plus tax. But so far it is worth it. I love her. She is perfect for the summertime. Your neck can breathe. You're not gonna be too hot. I mean, I just feel like my scalp is breathing under here, even though I do have on a wig cap underneath here. I have on like a silk wig cap underneath, and then I have on a wig, like a wig mesh band, which keeps the wig from sliding. It just gives you more grip. It's like a wig gripper underneath. But yeah, I really do like her. She is just fun and flirty, and I can do this. Like, if I can do this to get through transitioning back, because y'all know, transitioning back can be brutal. So I think this is definitely going to help your girl out. I am looking forward to getting more wigs in the future, so I can just switch up my style a little bit. But yeah, I'm just so happy that you guys are going to be coming along with me on this journey. This will be my 2nd time around on this journey. But I think this time is like the serious time. But yeah, so let's just get into how we install this wig.